Our 15th episode is all about a girl named Emma. She is single and working as a call center agent in a BPO company. She works at night and sleeps in the daytime. She has a new neighbor, and they have a small shop in front of their house. At first, Emma was okay with their neighbor, but as time went on, they became quite noisy because they have a small shop even though their place is in a residential area. Emma complained to the owner of their neighbor's house because the new resident just rented it, and they make noise. The owner said that he will tell the new resident of the house to keep quiet when you are sleeping during the day. After that day, her neighbor was a bit quiet, but after a few days, they became noisy again. Emma talked to their neighbor telling them to please keep quiet because she is sleeping during the daytime, but her neighbor told her that, "It's not my problem, most of us are awake during the daytime." Emma was upset and she went to her friend's house to sleep. Miles is single and working as merchandising manager. He is good looking and he wants Emma to be his girlfriend, but Emma only treats him as a friend. He heard the news about Emma's neighbor, and he thought of a solution how to help her. His uncle owns a vacant small building near the bus station. So, he talked to Emma's neighbor that he can help them to make their shop more profitable. He knows a better place where to put up the shop, and it was in the area near the bus station owned by his uncle. He told them that he will tell his uncle to give them a discount for the rent of the place, and Emma's neighbor agreed. Miles makes sure that the next resident of the house near Emma was quiet and kind. He found a decent family who wanted to rent the house, and Emma thanked Miles for all his effort. After that, they became close friends and eventually, they got married and started a family.